Hello and welcome to Adonix Tech Tips. I am Richie and today we will look how we can map RGB color of your organization logo to the CAD model. So whenever you create any assemblies or parts in SolidWorks, you see a blank uh, image appearance. If you add a specific appearance or a material to the component, it looks good. So for example, if you open this component and for this gear, if we add material, so there it is tin bearing, so we'll make it plain carbon steel and you can see the appearance changes. So we'll save it and the appearance is available very well in this assembly. But what if we want to have some color from our organization logo? So sometimes we have an assembly wherein we represent our assemblies with our standard colors which are available. So here what we'll be doing is we'll be using any logo. So for that we'll go to Google and we'll search for a logo. So for this tutorial we'll use SolidWorks logo and we'll try to save it on desktop so that the image is saved. Now if we know the RGB color code, then we simply select the component and we edit the appearance to add the desired RGB value. So here we have a slider wherein the color changes, or if you want the exact color RGB, we can do that. Now if you have the values you can always put it, but if you don't have, this is the correct tutorial for you. So we can go to any website. So here I am using this image color picker website, wherein I'll just simply upload the image file. So you can see the image is uploaded, and once I move the cursor and click on specific color which I want to place, you can see the RGB color code is generated. So 218, 42 and 27. So we'll go to SolidWorks 218, 42 and here is 27. So you can see 242, 27 which we got from this website. The RGB color picker is applied here and you can see just the same RGB, the same red color of the logo is applied. So in this way you can map colors from any image to the CAD geometry. Thank you for watching this tech tip. For more such tutorials you can always visit our YouTube channel adonixtechnologist.com.